Hello, want to sew adorable ruffle shorts for girls? In this easy beginner sewing tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to make cute, comfortable girls' shorts with a bow and ruffle hem. No pattern is needed, so it's perfect for beginners. Let's get started. I'm making these shorts for a 3-year-old girl. Use these measurements for the main shorts piece: waist 6 inches, crotch depth 8 inches, hip 7 inches, extension 2.5 inches, and total length 11 inches. Cut 2 main shorts pieces. The measurements are shown on the screen, making it easy to follow along. Place the front and back pieces with the right sides together. Sew the front rise and back rise. Match the crotch seams and sew the inseam. Finish the raw edges with a zigzag stitch or serger for a clean and durable finish. Fold and hem one long edge of each ruffle strip. Sew a gathering stitch along the opposite edge. Gently pull the threads until the ruffles match the leg openings. If you're enjoying this tutorial so far, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more easy sewing tutorials. Thank you so much for your support. Your adorable girls' ruffle shorts are finished. I hope you enjoyed this easy DIY sewing tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more beginner sewing tutorials, DIY kids clothing, and easy sewing projects. Thank you so much for watching.